How to change picture ratio on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on picture. So if you want to change picture ratio, so click on picture and click on this edit icon. So after click on this edit icon and click, you will see this is ratio button, so click on ratio. So if you want to change ratio, so you will see change ratio from here. And you will see after change ratio, click on save. After click on save, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change picture ratio on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.